This particular video is a tutorial on how to buy any crypto on Binance using your phone. Watch till the end to be able to see whichever coin you want to buy, whether it is Doge or Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, all the coins that are available on Binance. This is a way to buy them, no matter the amount. So the thing that you do, first of all, make sure you have a profile on Binance. Check the first link in the description below, and I'll see you at the end of the video. So the first thing that you do, if you haven't signed up on Binance, check the first link in the description below. What you do after you have created your account on your phone, you will go under P2P trading. On the P2P trading, what you will actually be seeing are the different ads that you will be able to buy the different coins. So the first major coins that are on the site, when you put Kenya shillings, it will be USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNB, ETH, and DAI. So USD is a stable coin, which is Tether. BUSD is another stable coin, which is Binance USD, and DAI as well is a stable coin. So what a stable coin means is that it is equivalent or almost equivalent to an actual US dollar. So that's the first coin that you need to buy in order to go to the second step, where you now buy any other coin. So that's the first thing that we do. So what I do is check how much I want to buy. So I want to buy about $10 or $11. What I will actually do, and the reason I'm buying $10 is because that's the minimum that you can use for the next step. So if you have 100,000 shillings or whatever amount it is you want to buy for whatever coin you want to buy, then that's what you do. So what I'll actually do is check the very first ones. People are charging 5,000. 5,000 is a minimum. I need to buy about $11. So I'll go to this first person and click on buy. Then it will bring me to this step where it tells me the limit of this person. So I can buy a minimum of 500 shillings and a maximum of 5,080. So the thing that you do, if you want to buy an amount, say 1,000 shillings or 600 shillings, whatever amount it is, you'll actually place it under fiat. So what we'll actually do, because we want to buy an exact amount, is go under buy crypto, and then I'll put the amount of cryptos that I want to buy, which in this case I want to buy $11, and then I'll click on buy USDT. So when I click on buy USDT, it brings me this page which shows me to pay the seller and the time remaining to pay the seller. So for this particular seller, they've placed 15 minutes. So it's 14:44 right now, 15 seconds. And then it tells me that Binance has locked the seller's crypto, and there is Binance 24/7 customer chat. And there's also an icon to chat with the seller. And the fiat amount, the amount I'm supposed to pay, is $12.15. The price per USD Tether is 110.5, and the crypto amount that I will be buying will be 11. Then the payment method is either bank transfer or MPESA pay bill, and the terms have been placed. This person has said reach me on this number, not for MPESA if I appear offline. So the next thing that I'll actually do right now is click on to payment page, and then the bank transfer details actually show up for bank transfer and for pay bill. So what I'll do is click on pay bill, and then it will go to the next page where it tells you what to do. It tells you leave the Binance app, open your own banking or payment platform to transfer the funds to the seller's account provided below, the account name, account number, and pay bill number. Then after transferring the funds, click on the transferred notify seller button below. So what I'll actually do right now is I'll pay this amount, and then we'll go to the next step. So after I've made the payment, what I actually do is I go and click on chat. I have the message with me, which I'll actually place here and paste it here. So this is a message. I click on send, making sure that it is actually there. Then click on the X button, and then here below, after transferring the funds, click on the transferred notify seller button shown below. So that's what I do. Click on it, and it is done. So here it tells me it is releasing buy USDT. This is the amount. So we now wait for the seller to release the funds. The seller has now released the funds. This is the notification that you will get, and an SMS as well telling you that it has been released to your wallet. So what I actually do is check how was your trading experience. It was positive because this person is really fast in doing this. Click on positive and then I'll click on done. So once I do this, it will show me exactly what has happened. Then now what we are going to do is go to the wallet and then I'll show you the next step. Here we are on the wallet. This is the P2P wallet, and you'll actually be able to see that the USDT, we just bought 11 of them. What we actually do right now is click on transfer. So there are two ways you can be able to transfer. The first one is send, which is sending to other Binance account holders. What we want to do is transfer between your own different accounts. So that's what I'll click on now. And then it tells me from which wallet to which wallet. So we want to send to the spot wallet. So I'll click on BTC here, the coin. And then at the top here, I will search for the coin I want to transfer, which is USDT. And it shows me the amount that is actually there right now, 11 USDT. And then how much USDT do I want to transfer to the spot wallet? In this case, it is 11, or just by clicking on max, you can be able to transfer. So I'll click on transfer. In the P2P wallet, you will see that the amount has been transferred to the spot wallet. That's where it will actually go. And I go to the spot wallet right now, and you can be able to see that the same amount is actually there right now. USDT, it is 11 that is currently there right now. So the next step that we'll actually go to now is buying the coin that we want to buy. No matter the coin that you want to buy, my preference will be different from yours. You can be able to buy any single coin that you want. So at the bottom here, you'll see home, markets, trades, futures, and wallets. So what I'll actually click on here is markets, and I have every single coin that I may want to buy right now. What I actually want to do is buy a particular coin that I want. So I'll go at the top here, search coin pairs, and I'll say I want to buy a particular coin. In this case, I'll say XRP. And because I have USDT, I'll need to check which other coin is here. So what you need to understand is the coin that you have is what will show after that stroke. So XRP is the one I want to buy. USDT is what I have. So I'll need to go to the pair that's written XRP stroke USDT. The XRP in financial terms is called the quote currency. That's what you want to buy. USDT is known as the base currency, which is the currency you currently hold, what you've actually bought. So I'll click on USDT. And then when I click on USDT, what you'll actually be able to see here is how this particular coin has traded over a particular time. So here you'll be able to see the months down here where it says 2021 06 12 and 2021 07 21. Those are the dates, and there are a few indicators that I've actually placed which help me to know which coin to buy. And at the top you'll see the 24-hour. So how high has it gone in the last 24 hours? And the 24-hour low is how low has the price gone in the last 24 hours. So what we'll actually do is scroll a bit up for you to be able to see this chart. This is a bid and ask chart, which means in the bid, it's people who want to buy and the prices they are ready to buy at. And in the ask, it's people who are selling that particular currency and what they want to sell it at. So if you want to buy a particular currency, it's simple. Click on buy, and then the order book will now show on the right, and the price that is showing in the middle is the current price. So the easiest way to actually do this is I'm seeing at 1.2644. So instead of buying at that amount, what I can do is I want to buy it at 1.639. So I'm hoping that it doesn't go below that as I'm doing this. And then I have 11 USDT that is currently here, and I place 100%. So the USDT that I currently have 11, when I place 100%, this is the maximum amount of XRP that can be bought at this particular price. So I click on buy XRP. In my case, then click on
confirm. When I have done that, it will actually show as an open order that I am willing to buy XRP at 1.2639, 8.7 of them, and it shows 0%, which means it has not yet been filled. So when it is filled, it means that the price that you're seeing at the top here, 1.266, will actually have come down. When it gets to 1.2639, then it means I will have bought. And that is a simple way of buying any single crypto on the Binance app.
So now that you've been able to buy this particular coins, if you want to sell, you will use the same process that I've actually shown you, where you now convert back to USDT and you can now sell it like that. If you want other tutorials on Binance on different matters, place them in the comments below, and this top one will show you how to buy Bitcoin using M-PESA on the Binance platform, and the playlist showing down here is about cryptocurrency in Kenya. I'll see you in the next one.